And now we're going to talk about creating jobs and job price calculation once again. So, when adding a job, you always have to choose the job price. Usually it is updated by the key office manager. For example, let it be for example an English translation. Then we go with quantity. Let it be 2, so the price will be 70 multiplied 2, 140 hryvnias. Then if we add percent, for example, if we press 10%, then the price would be like 154 hryvnias. Usually this field is empty, but there can be some exceptions. So we must put 0 always, otherwise we won't be able to create a job. So add some, it's either 0 or something more. So if you leave it blank, then you won't be able to create the job. So we put 0. Then we always have to choose either a member or a supplier. If we don't choose any, it will also give us an error. So, for example, for now, we don't know who will be working on this particular job. So this might be the office manager that is creating the job. This might be somebody else. So for now, we can put undetermined teacher. Supplier price, we usually have it blank, unless it is a supplier. And in the description we can write the surname of the person or whatever additional details can be useful. So we create. Okay, now let's say we've got this job, we want to edit it. So we know that it's going to be not an undetermined teacher, but some supplier like folio, like Ante. We can update it and press the price that Ante wants. It will be like 30 hryvnias. Okay. So the supplier price doesn't affect the price that the client pays. The price that the client pays is affected by our total price calculation here. We've got these jobs done once again. So we've got 2 out of 5 done. We press done. We've got 3 out of 5 done. And only if all the jobs are done, so let it be 4 out of 5 done, 5 done, we can press that the project is done, and it disappears out of the doing list. In theory, it must take us 3-4 minutes to create a project and to create jobs. It will give much more clarity to us and visibility to our clients.